Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick video to show you how to clean geolocation with the OData link in Power BI desktop. To do it is very similar to what we did in Excel, but first you need to check and see what you do need to clean by doing the changing the filter. And as you can see here, we got a bunch of looks to be gibberish, so we can tell it to cut everything after the first parenthesis. So we're going to do that. And there's more here that you can't see to the right, and I can show you how to reveal that a little later if need be. But just tell it to show the nulls again, or just filter or X-filter the rows. Now go to go to transform, go to split, go to delimiter, and then you want to do custom, and you want to tell it to do the leftmost parenthesis. And just as a safety precaution, let's tell it to do 3 columns instead of 2. Now as you can see, there are 3, obviously. So let's remove the nulls. Okay, so it turns out we did not need to do 3 columns, so we can remove geolocation 3 and geolocation 1. So hold down Control if geolocation 1 or geolocation 3 is already highlighted, and then tap the title and both will be highlighted at the same time. Then you could either right click on one and remove, or you can go back to excuse me, go back to Home and do remove columns. Now we need to split geolocation 2 into 2 pieces. So you once again go to split column, go by delimiter, and this time we want to do a space. And we should only need 2, so hit OK. And now as you can see, once it's done loading, that we'll have 2 columns. Now all we need to do is just to remove the parenthesis on this side. So you go to replace value, put the right parenthesis or ending parenthesis, and leave replace with blank. Okay, next we need to give the 2 columns a name. Now, unlike the Excel video, if you have seen it, the geolocation information is actually the other way around. And I actually checked on the internet by sticking the first column in latitude and then the second one in longitude. It put me somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean, so I swapped them around and it shows somewhere in Baton Rouge. So we need to type in the name or copy it however you wish to do it. Go to rename and put it in. And then same with geolocation 2. Oh yes, and make sure that whenever you're using that filter option to check and just see if you're doing the steps right, that you remove the filter either by exiting the step out or undoing the actual filter itself. And I'll show you what I mean. You could either do this and then X the thing out, or go back in and then put null back in. But I'm just going to exit the filter out. Now that latitude and longitude are done, the next thing we can do, just to make it a little prettier on the actual dashboard designing area, is remove all of the other areas that mention geolocation, because we don't need any of the other stuff. So you can just scroll through and make sure you're holding down Control if you want to do multiple at a time, and just tap them. And that should be it. Actually, I'm going to remove city as well because we know what city it's in. And then go to remove columns, then close and apply, and then you should be done. I'm going to cut to once the closing and applying has been finished, just to be here and just in case there's a error that may pop up like it has in the Excel video. Okay, now that the updating has been done, there appears to be no issues, at least for me, so if you follow the way I did it, you shouldn't have any errors either. So now all you need to do is save, and we are done with this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.